First, I want you to open your dialer app, and once you open that, go to the contact section and then go to the top menu over there, and then go to settings, and then from the settings I want you to select import or export, and then from there you go to import from storage, and then you choose the storage that you want to save the contact to, and then click on it, and it will take some time to search through your device for the contact files or the contact vCards, and then once it finds it, it will show them to you for you to be able to select. So as you can see over here, I have a contact file, so I'm going to click on OK, and then it will import those contacts onto my device. So that is simply it on how to import contacts from files to your